Okay, let's have a quick revision of the type of long composition question which will be there. As you know, one long composition question of 5 marks will be there, which will include option from article writing and report writing. The word limit for it will be 150 words maximum, 120 to 150 words. And as you know, in the writing skill part, there are 3 aspects of the answer which are evaluated, which include format, content, and expression. In these long composition questions, format will be of 1 mark, content 2 marks, and expression also of 2 marks. Now let's see what format is. As you know, format is very simple in both article and report writing in comparison to, we can say, notice writing. The format will include the topic, name of the topic, or we can say title, and name of the writer written by. So for example, if there is a question where you have to write an article on the positive impact of lockdown in our life, so the name of the topic will be positive impact of lockdown or positive effect of lockdown on life, and by it will conclude the name of the writer. Sometimes the name of the writer is given in the question paper itself. For example, the question paper can be like this, that you are Sadhika of 11th class or of 12th class, and so and so. So write an article on this. So here you will write the name of the person or the writer which is given there, Sadhika. But sometimes the name is not given there. They just write that, yeah, you were very much affected by the lockdown, but you saw that there were so many positive things happening because of the lockdown, which included the online classes and all, and so and so. So write an article on positive impact of lockdown. So in that question, you see the name of the writer is not given. But as you know, in the format part, name of the writer should be there. So we have to write here, we can write ABC, XYZ, or PQR. Okay, we don't have to write the real name. We have to write just PQR, ABC, XYZ, etc. here. Don't leave it unwritten. And if we talk about the report writing, there also the format is similar. Name of the topic or the title of the report, and by. We can write the date also, because although it is not mandatory, but I would suggest that you write the date of the report writing also, which is actually the date of examination. Okay, so I have given some examples here. You can say here we have this topic, mobile phone a necessity. Suppose they ask the question that you are Jitkala Sa, and you found that during the lockdown period you need mobile phone to stay connected with your friends and your teachers, and many apps can be downloaded in it which are used to enhance your educational learning, educational opportunities, learning, etc. So write in an article on mobile phone and necessity. So here you will write the name of the topic. You can write the title here also, like title. Okay, so here you can write title also. So title or the topic, and name is for mobile phone and necessity by Jitkalasa. So then you will write the content part of the article. And similarly, there can be a report, like write a report on a worksheet write a report on a workshop organized by your school on the use of apps on mobile phone. So there you will write topic or title of the report and by and name. So that means in every question, whether it is of article writing or report writing, the answer starts with format and it will fetch you 1 mark. Okay. So now let's see what are the other, we can say, the aspect of the article writing. In the other aspects, the content part is very important, which includes the relevant ideas. And relevant ideas means 3 main points, or we can say 3 different paragraphs in which we have to write these ideas. First part is introduction, means whenever we start writing the article, we should write a small paragraph to introduce the main theme, main points which we are going to discuss in the next paragraph. In the introductory part, it can be like we can write the that a survey report, quote of a famous personality, or our own some innovative idea. After that, we have to write the main features of the article. Main features means what it can include causes, effects, like that. Because if we read the topic of the article, we can find out that what does the question demand us to write as an answer. Do we have to focus more on the causes or more on the effect? Okay, so we have to write the causes, effect, or even the solution or suggestion in this part. Last comes the conclusion. Generally, the conclusion part contains we can say 2-3 sentences which are the gist of the article, means all the ideas which we had included come in this part. Then comes the expression part. Expression part is basically about your sentences, spellings, and organization of the different ideas in proper order. If you write all the sentence grammatically correct, spellings correct, and you organize the idea properly, you can get full marks, that means 2 out of 2 marks in that also. So that is the article and even reports basic framework of writing it. Now let's see what other features of an article we should keep in mind while writing. Article is more flexible, as we can use all kinds of sentences while writing it. All kind of tenses, I mean, writing it. Okay. All kind of tenses means we can write paragraphs, or we can write sentences in either present tense, future tense, or past tense. Whichever tense suits can be written here. But we have to keep in mind that while writing one sentence, we should use only single type of tense in writing that particular sentence. We should not mix up tenses while writing one particular, or we can say in a single sentence. We should not mix up 2 or more kind of tenses. And now if we talk about the type of topics which can be asked in article writing, so there is no end of the types of topics which can be asked as an article. But in board exams, all those issues which are relevant to students of your age are generally asked. They can be related to education, fast food, coaching centers, exercises, uh, traffic rules. Like there are so many topics which a student of your age should be well aware of. So that means if any topic comes in the exam, you will be able to answer it properly, giving the relevant points as an answer. Okay, so in article writing, we have to keep in our mind that after reading the question, we can uh, get the tone of the question and can decide that what should be the main focus of our answer. Okay, is it about the causes, is it about the effects, or is it about the suggestions that the question demands as an answer? Moreover, in the article we can write our own views also. The way we feel, the way we have observed, that we can write. We can use pronouns like I, we, or even you also. So it is more flexible in its approach, okay, of writing the answer. If we move towards the report, we'll see that there is some restriction in writing the report, as here the reports are about the past incidents and they should be factually correct. So we can't use the pronouns like IV, etc. And secondly, we have to answer it in past tense only. That means we have to use second form of the verb, and if we use third form of the verb, then it should be with had, was, or were. Okay, if we use is, are, have, etc. while writing the report, we will lose marks in expression part. So now we'll study about these in details, and I'm going to give you the next video for that. Okay, thanks.